Would you like to add some colors to your garden? So different varieties of Dracaena will do. So add some beautiful colorful Dracaena leaves to your home garden, or else keep them indoors as an indoor plant. How to grow and care for Dracaena plants. Today the topic is that I will be covering up how to grow and care for Dracaena varieties. There are some varieties of Dracaena plants that I have with me. So today I will be covering up what are the things that you have to keep in mind when growing Dracaena varieties. So stay tuned to Tamara's Garden. Hello friends, I'm Tamara from Tamara's Garden. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you some of the plants that I have in the variety of Dracaena and how to grow them. So stay tuned to my channel. If you are new, please consider to subscribe and give a big like at the end of the video. Don't forget. Thank you. The first and the most famous Dracaena plant is lucky bamboo. This comes under the family of Dracaena. You can grow them from stems. Once you bring them from a nursery, you can multiply them by propagating in water, or else you can put directly the mature stems in soil. So that is how you propagate and multiply this plant. This plant prefers the indirect sunlight. Dracaena plants are beautiful decorative plants where you can use them as indoor plants decorations. So you can keep them in your living room, you can keep them in bedroom, or else you can make it as a decorative plant because these plants are in beautiful colorful leaves. So these are beautiful plants to decoration, as I said, and also these plants prefer the semi-shade, and also these plants doesn't like the bright direct sunlight because their leaves will burn out. So these delicate leaves should be kept in a place where they get the partial sunlight or the filtered sunlight. So that is why I said best indoors. So this is lucky bamboo, and there are other varieties of Dracaena which I have with me, and this is Song of India. So these colorful leaves are burned by the direct sunlight. Keep them in indirect sunlight area. Most of these plants I have brought only a single stem cutting. With time they have grown very big. Now these I have put in pots. I have never put them on ground so that their growth will be limited to a specific area. So you also can try them putting in medium size pots. When talking about watering, if you have kept them indoors, you can skip regular watering. You can water them every other day. But to keep the leaves fresh, you can give a mist spray in the morning to all these Dracaena varieties. Even if you have kept them outdoors, you have to check the soil before you water them. So these plants like the moistured soil, well moistured soil, not too dry and not too soggy. So talking about the potting mix, you can use garden soil, then you can use some sand and some cocoa peat. Use any house plant fertilizer for these beautiful indoor plants. You can use organic fertilizers like tea or coffee because they are nitrogen high. So I advise always using organic fertilizer for plants. So the suggestion is tea or coffee. You can use tea and coffee liquid fertilizer during the summer season, and also you can use other fertilizer in powder form in the rainy season. So that is how you use fertilizer for these beautiful indoor plants. When you select a stem cutting out of these plants, see that it is mature enough to grow, and also when you are selecting a stem from a mother plant, see that it is mature enough to grow in water or else in soil. I also have couple of Dracaena varieties with me, so you also try growing them with stems and stem cuttings in water or else in soil. So thanks so much for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.